Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. The weather is so beautiful. I just want to like celebrate the weather. It's so hot and humid, just the way I like it, guys. The makeup comes out so nice in this hot weather for me. Like, people dread wearing makeup usually, but I love it because I feel like my makeup sits on my face so nicely because I've naturally got really dry skin. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell button. Yalla, ambulance, police, ambulance, I don't want to hide. So we are off to town, by the way, today. We're gonna feed the kids outside today. I'm gonna have a nice coffee. I need to go into Wilko's to buy more paint for the doors. I've started painting my house, by the way, randomly. One night I spent, about 2 nights ago, I spent 4 hours. I watched 2 movies. What movies did I watch? I watched Run on Netflix, which I've watched before, and I watched another movie which was Old. I don't know if you guys have watched it, but it's like a foreign movie that's like dubbed or something. No, it's not dubbed actually. It's just this weird, strange movie called Old. It's a what?
M. Night Shyamalan movie, Sixth Sense director.
The Sixth Sense director is a really strange movie. It's like a hit or miss kind of movie. You either like it or you won't. I remember my sister watched it and she was like, that movie was awful. But it's just one of those movies where you just carry on watching it until the end. Anyways, Old and Run on Netflix. I watched both of those. I spent about 4 hours painting, and I did 2 doors downstairs I painted, and I painted a radiator in the bathroom. The staircase wall area I painted. So I did really well, and my whole body was in pain because, you know, you're constantly going up and down. My arms were hurting, everything was hurting, I remember. But anyways, I ran out of paint and I'm gonna go out and get some more paint, guys, today. Hopefully we should be going to my in-laws as well later. If they're not doing anything, maybe go out with them. Let's see, we don't know what they're up to. My sister-in-law is still down at my in-laws house with her kids, so yeah. Anyways, bye.
There's cheesy chips.
Try to take my.
So like, I'm only gonna use it once.
Yeah, man gave you this week.
Yeah, for free. Am I right, Amma?
Can you give me a piece? Small one. Can you give me some sauce?
Yeah. Here you go.
You know the news about man. Look, he started to look at me, and then look at what I started to do. Death, stare him. I was like, look, I was like,
You don't look at anybody. Look down.
That was nice and salty.
Yeah, have another one.
No. This is nice.
No, it's not.
ছোট সুন্দর গার্ডেনের লাগি বহুত সুন্দর লাগবে
Whatever. Huh. Come on, so.
waffle blankets.
We got them.
We got so many of these.
So many.
Yeah.
Come on, let's have a walk. No, we don't need a paddling pool at home. Okay. I think we should get this
what this is, guys? This is the lint and hair remover, and it removes pet hair.
We don't have
your
a pet anymore.
Human hair.
Ah.
Removes bubbles from your clothes.
We're having a bubble in my clothes
So I'm gonna
now.
buy this.
Get there.
For my dad. Look. For my dad.
Hey, this way, where you running?
Daddy.
Mustafa, come on. Can you get your son?
Window squeegee. Oh, this is what I need, guys. Ogu amar dorkar, everybody. It will extendable window mop. So there are beshi usa window. But I need it for my tiles in my kitchen to wipe.
Well, that one's got another stick to it, an
I
extension.
need this for my kitchen. This is for Bura Manush. So,
Yes. Can you? I don't know. That's what I'm saying. He listens to you, not me. Let me go get that.
Go.
You want a toy? Here, get yourself a toy. Come on. What do you want? Please help me. I don't want to run right now. Okay, long. Come on. This is all cat and dog food. We don't have any animals anymore. What else did you get?
I suppose this. It's a drain hair removing tool. So you put it in your sink, drain.
I don't have no hair, so what's the
And
point?
I have hair, babes. I have hair.
Okay.
Doctor Sul Sharaba Kurmo. Askugyar. Bathroom or Shingo. Shukal.
What's she doing with the ball?
I want to get this.
Go for play in the garden.
Yeah.
Okay. She wants to be a footballer, so let her.
Yeah.
Okay, I can take that ladybug. Ladybird. This way, this way. Hey, do they have knives here? I'm looking for those jagged edges knives. You know the one. You know the jagged edge ones. Can't seem to find them anyway.
Mustafa, come on.
Oh no!
What is it? Storage. Watermelon storage.
Little containers. There's 3. You can put. Oh, I like this one. That's really nice. It doesn't go to the lobby. What is it? Leave it inside. Leave it inside.
What did I say again?
I made this.
That's a key shelf or something. I don't know.
What is it?
Shelves?
And Mara.
Ugly.
And
What do you do?
You just stick it on a wall and just
Set
look at
of
it.
white cube shells. I don't get it.
It's just shelves.
What's
It's just
this?
rubbish.
This is nice.
And something else is rubbish.
This is nice.
Shakal, that's one smoke room. What the hell? You need to get your eyes checked, seriously. A gun. A window cleaner, most likely. I don't know. Or wallpaper, you know.
This is a nice table. This is a nice table.
Earrings.
I like this.
Where you gonna put that? Bathroom? Toilet? I don't know.
Really nice.
What about this?
No, I don't like that color.
I need that one.
Hey, this is the lamp I'm looking for, but in a not this color.
In gold or silver.
In a more of a goldish color. What are the same for me?
Jamila, I'll keep an eye out.
Oh, designer.
Okay, your son's running around. Come here, Doro.
Hey, do you know how much that is? Angle table lamp. So if I'm going to show me.
Very good. I mean,
Oh, good idea, Lule.
Uthao Doro.
Sailor man.
Bye bye. Whoa.
Please stand still and hold the handrail while travelling.
Whoa. Slowly. Assalamualaikum. Kita randra tu geran baraise. Itu kita.
Chicken.
Oh wow. Chicken tu nice color korse. Degeran. Tomano rice.
Rice.
Uri dini aske randra chicken.
Chicken was uri dilam hoibo.
Ila to khaisi ni ami bane.
Khaya dikho to. Ene chicken gondo ude.
Oh yo.
Khai to mala lage.
Hey, we're
Hi.
all having a water fight.
What you guys doing?
Having a water fight. And my dress is waterproof.
Seriously?
Yeah. Look. Yeah.
No, don't do it. Don't get wet on purpose. Don't get wet, guys, because you don't.
Can I put my dress in my trousers?
No,
Ah,
you wanna open your dress?
yeah.
No, don't you dare.
I wanted to
I
make
can't because I'm adult.
It's really hot, guys.
Yeah.
So my in-laws got rid of their shed, guys. They used to have a massive shed here, and I didn't realize how much space there is now. And then here there used to be a trampoline. All this space here now. You know what? I would do this house up so nicely. Hey, they got
You should.
they got extra wood. This is good. We need that wood. That's the same wood in our house, guys. So you guys, change of plan. I'm going to Ikea with my sister.
She's forcing it.
And
We don't want to take her.
I'm so excited. And Shima's begged me to come with her. I'm going to take Mustafa with me, which might be a big mistake. But yeah, we're going to Ikea, guys. So the first item, guys, I'm getting
As soon as we walk in.
as soon as we walk in, 100%. It's really cheap as well. Wait, I really like this as well, Shima. This is cute. Little mini orchid. Gotta get that. Does that go inside here?
No, there's more here.
No, they're buying. Look, this. Wow, I'm sick of grey. Wow, wait. There's more, guys. Whoa. So you guys, we're in Ikea and I felt so overwhelmed and flabbergasted. Like I didn't know what to get, what not to get. There were so many things that I regret not buying and I just need to go back again. And bear in mind, this was the first time I've ever been to an Ikea store. I've shopped in Ikea like online before, but I've never been to an Ikea store and I was very, very overstimulated. Let me just tell you this. And this is why I couldn't talk whilst I was filming. And by the way, Mustafa was running around. He escaped like 10 times from the trolley. And it was really, really hard with him. Yeah, he just walked into the room, guys. I'm trying to put him back into bed. But anyways, everything is so beautiful in Ikea. And I just fell in love. It was the most unique shopping experience I've ever had in my life. Like the first bit is like the showcase bit where you see everything. And you pick like the small items, and then later on you go to this huge marketplace where you pick all your stuff, all your big items, put it on a trolley, and yeah, you take it to the checkout. And it was just so simple and easy. And I just, yeah, look at all the stuff I bought so far. And yeah, we had to have a quick little coffee break because Mustafa was exhausted, so was I had a headache. And then this lighting area, OMG, wow, all the lighting stuff is so beautiful. The lamps, the light shades. I just went crazy, honestly. And oh yeah, someone recognized me, and they were like, oh my god, you guys, you make YouTube. And they were so sweet. So if you watch this video, thank you so much, sister, for coming up to me. And yes, I that's all I can say. But yes, this cowhide, I wanted to buy it. It was £199, but I'm definitely gonna get something like this for my new house. It's so beautiful. It's like a, you can use it as a rug. I left my son. Yeah guys, I don't know how we did this, but it's night time and it's like almost 10 o'clock. Mustafa's going to the playground. Where's the car, guys? Oh, for goodness sake. No, Mustafa! So you guys, I don't know how this happened, but it's night time. We went in during the day and we've come out at night time. It's almost 10 p.m. We spent hours in Ikea. I spent quite a lot of money in there. I don't want to say how much because my husband will kill me. But yeah, when I go home, I'll show you guys what I got.